Great to have you back, learners. Let's explore the magic of compounding. Have you ever seen a tiny plant grow into a massive tree over the years? You water it regularly, give it time, and nature takes care of the rest. That's exactly what compounding does to our money. You start small, stay consistent, and let time take its course. Small starts, big results. Let's talk about the power of compounding, the magic that helps you grow wealth without lifting a finger every day. So let's first understand what is compounding. Compounding is just a complex way of saying you earn returns not just on your money but also on the returns you've already earned. Let's simplify this with an example. Let's say you invest 10,000 rupees. In a year, you earn 800 as 8% returns. In second year, instead of earning 800 again, you now earn 864. The total amount you earn is 11,664, and it just keeps growing from here if you stay invested. This snowball keeps rolling and gets bigger every year. Why time is your best friend? Compounding works best when you give it time to do its thing. Start early, stay invested, reinvest your earnings, and repeat. It has a potential to change your life. Whether it is 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years, the longer you stay in, the stronger the compounding effect. That's how real wealth is built. The benefits of compounding: faster growth, your returns start earning faster, beats inflation, your money doesn't lose value over time, helps reach goals comfortably, education, retirement, dream home, you name it all. Start early, the earliest the better. Even small investments grow big over time. Stay consistent. Regular SIP works wonders, monthly, quarterly, or even maybe whatever suits you. Reinvest gains. Don't cash out profits. Reinvest them for the maximum effect. Be patient. Compounding loves calm investors and not panic sellers. And here's the best part: you can get the best compounding results with AllRounder, our AI driven investing model that makes sure your capital is secured and managed smartly, risk is always in check, and compounding kicks in through intelligent long term investing. You don't need to calculate interest or time the market. Just get in early, stay invested, and let All-Rounder handle the rest. So don't wait for the right time. The best time to start is now.